In today's interconnected world, the need to send and receive money across borders has become increasingly common. Whether you're an individual receiving payments from overseas clients, a freelancer working with international companies, or a business engaged in global trade, having a reliable and cost-effective way to handle international bank transfers is crucial. Wise, formerly TransferWise, has emerged as a popular platform for such transactions, offering a multi-currency account and facilitating international money transfers. A fundamental question for anyone considering Wise is, can Wise receive bank transfers? The straightforward answer is yes. Wise allows you to receive bank transfers in multiple currencies, making it a versatile tool for individuals and businesses with international financial needs. Let's delve deeper into how this works and what you need to know. How receiving bank transfers works with Wise. Wise provides you with local bank details for several major currencies. These account details function similarly to a local bank account in the respective regions, enabling people and businesses to pay you in their local currency via a regular bank transfer. This means that the sender doesn't necessarily need a Wise account to pay you. They can simply make a bank transfer from their existing bank account to the Wise account details you provide. Once you open a Wise account and activate the relevant currency balances, you can obtain unique account details. These details typically include account number, a unique identifier for your account, sort code, for GBP a 6-digit code identifying the UK bank and branch, routing number, for USD a 9-digit code used for US bank transfers, including both ACH and wire transfers, BSB code, for AUD a 6-digit number identifying the Australian financial institution branch, IBAN, international bank account number used in many countries, including those in the Eurozone. It combines your country code, bank code, and account number, SWIFT/BIC code, a unique code that identifies Wise's partner bank globally for international transfers. You share these specific account details with the person or entity that needs to pay you. They can then initiate a bank transfer in the local currency to these details, just as they would with any domestic bank transfer. Supported currencies for receiving money. Wise supports receiving money in over 10 different currencies with local bank details. As of May 18, 2025, these typically include USD, United States dollar. You can receive USD via ACH, automated clearinghouse, and wire transfers. Note that there might be a small fee for receiving USD wire transfers. Euro, you receive Euro via SEPA, single Euro payments area, transfers, often with no receiving fees. You can also receive international SWIFT payments in Euro from a limited number of currencies. GBP, British pound. You can receive GBP via local bank transfers within the UK. Additionally, your GBP account details can receive international SWIFT payments in over 20 other currencies. AUD, Australian dollar. Receive AUD through local bank transfers within Australia. CAD, Canadian dollar. Receive CAD via local transfers within Canada. NZD, New Zealand dollar. Receive NZD through local bank transfers in New Zealand. SGD, Singapore dollar. Receive SGD via local transfers within Singapore. HUF, Hungarian forint. Receive HUF through local bank transfers in Hungary. RON, Romanian leu. Receive RON via local transfers within Romania, with some restrictions based on your registered address. TRY, Turkish lira. You can receive TRY locally from within Turkey. It's important to check the most up-to-date list of supported currencies on the Wise website or app, as this may change over time. Wise is continuously expanding its network and the currencies it supports for receiving payments, providing the correct details to the sender. To ensure a smooth and successful transfer, it's crucial to provide the sender with the correct account details. The specific details required will depend on the currency being sent and whether it's a domestic or international transfer. For domestic payments, i.e., someone paying you in their local currency to your Wise account details in that same currency, you will typically need to provide your name as it appears on your Wise account, the local account number, the relevant local bank code, such as the sort code for GBP, routing number for USD, or BSB code for AUD. For international payments, i.e., someone sending you a currency that is different from the local currency of your Wise account details, often via SWIFT, You will generally need to provide your name as it appears on your Wise account, the SWIFT/BIC code for Wise's partner bank, your IBAN, if applicable for the currency, the bank name and address, which you can find in your Wise account details,